How to download and install Topaz Video AI on Windows 11. So if you want to download and install Topaz Video AI on Windows 11, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to go with your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search and you need to search for Topaz Video AI download. Once you search for it, now here you will have download and install Topaz AI. So click on that option. Once you click on it, here you will have the Windows section. You need to click on Windows if you're using your Windows, or you can go with Mac if you're using your Mac. So I'll just simply go with Windows and go with the unverified file. Click on download unverified file and it will start the downloading process. Once the downloading process has been finished or once the file has been downloaded, you just need simply click on the file, and once you click on the file, wait for a few seconds and it will ask you if you want to install that or not. You can just simply go with yes and install and it will be installed. So that's it. That's how you can install and download Topaz Video AI on Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.